What is going on, everybody? My name is JR and welcome. Today I'm going to give you guys a quick little tip, especially those who are not partnered, who are affiliate or hitting affiliate. You want to have the cleanest looking streams like this or like this. Then you might want to check out these settings. I'm using the NVEC encoder. If you have any NVIDIA graphics card, be sure to use NVEC new. Now here's my resolution outscale. It is 1664 by 936p. My CBR is at 6000 kbps. Now going under video, my base resolution is 1920 by 1080. My output scale, you have to make sure that these are matched up, is 1664 by 936. My downscale filter is set at the land, I cannot pronounce it, at 36 samples. I feel like this is the crispiest, cleanest streaming image that I could possibly get for my viewers. You don't want to have 1080p. If you have the option to stream at 1080p, don't do it. Honestly, just do not do it. Reason being is because if you're not partnered, the 1080p is going to be the most pixelated thing that you can possibly watch, and nobody wants to watch a bunch of pixels. Now, the reason why I say 1080p is not a good choice to go for is because Twitch, what they do is they transcode for partners a lot more. For streaming on Twitch for 1080p, you need to be streaming at above 8000 CBR at constant times. And a lot of the times, you're not able to have that option because of the fact that since you're affiliate or below affiliate, your only option is to go up to 6000. Now, there's absolutely nothing wrong to stream on Twitch at 720p or even at 936p. It doesn't matter what everybody else says on TikTok. Choose which one you think is the cleanest. And personally, I choose at 936p. This is my streaming option. I choose to stream at 936p. I feel like that's the cleanest. And I also have the internet bandwidth to go ahead and stream at a high CBR. Again, do not be fooled by trying to stream at 1080p. There's no reason for you to stream at 1080p, especially if you are not partnered. Make sure you downscale to 720 or even 936. The stream is going to look a lot crisper, a lot cleaner, barely any pixelations, and also on top of that, it's going to let your gameplay run a little bit smoother if you're using a single PC system. So if you liked today's video, go ahead and click on that follow button. Let me know what you guys thought in the comments. Until then, I'll catch you guys later. Peace.